The rise of the machines drones as our overlords. Drones are everywhere. They have become an integral part of our daily lives, from delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial footage. But their presence is not always benign. They are in our skies, silently observing, often unnoticed. Their sleek designs and advanced technology make them almost invisible to the untrained eye. They watch our every move, capturing data and images, creating a detailed map of our daily routines. Every step we take, every place we visit is recorded. Small and silent, they are the eyes in the sky. These drones can easily blend into the urban environment, making them perfect tools for surveillance. We are moving towards a future where privacy is a distant memory. The constant presence of drones means that our personal space is continually invaded. Governments and corporations use drones for surveillance. They track our movements, monitor our activities, and gather vast amounts of data. They gather data on us, compiling information that can be used for various purposes, from marketing to law enforcement. This information can be used against us. Hackers and malicious entities can access this data, leading to potential breaches of security and privacy. We must be aware of this growing threat. We must be prepared to defend our privacy and our rights in this new age of surveillance. We need to protect ourselves. Anti-surveillance gear and drone jamming equipment are becoming essential tools for those who value their privacy. Our privacy and freedom are at stake. The measures we take today will determine the level of control we have over our personal information in the future. In this essay, I will teach you how to survive in a drone-filled world. From understanding the technology to implementing countermeasures, we will explore the steps necessary to reclaim our privacy and protect our freedom. Fighting back blackout curtains and the right to privacy. In a world where surveillance is becoming more pervasive, protecting our personal space is more important than ever. Blackout curtains are your first line of defense. They block out light, creating a barrier between your private life and the outside world. These curtains are not just for blocking sunlight, they are a shield against prying eyes. This includes the infrared light that some drones use. Drones equipped with infrared cameras can see through regular curtains, but blackout curtains stop them in their tracks. Install them in your home. Measure your windows carefully to ensure a perfect fit. The better the fit, the more effective the curtains will be at blocking out unwanted surveillance. Cover all windows and doors. Every entry point is a potential vulnerability. By covering them, you create a secure environment where you can feel safe and private. This will make it harder for drones to see inside. The more layers of protection you have, the more difficult it becomes for anyone to invade your privacy. Privacy is a basic human right. It's not just about keeping secrets, it's about maintaining your dignity and freedom. Without privacy, we lose a part of our humanity. We have the right to control our own information. In an age where data is a valuable commodity, protecting your personal information is crucial. Blackout curtains are a simple yet effective tool in this fight. Blackout curtains help us reclaim that right. They provide a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that your private moments remain private. They give us back a measure of control in a world where so much is out of our hands. Taking control of our privacy is empowering. Don't let anyone tell you that you have nothing to hide. Everyone has a right to privacy, regardless of whether they have something to hide or not. Privacy is not about hiding, it's about freedom, it's about dignity. It's about having the space to be yourself without fear of judgment or intrusion. Blackout curtains are a small but significant step towards reclaiming that space. Faraday cages, your tech's safe space. Drones don't just use cameras, they use advanced technology. They can also intercept and manipulate electronic signals. Your phone, your laptop, your tablet, they are all vulnerable to attacks. A Faraday cage can protect your devices from these threats. A Faraday cage is a metal enclosure. It blocks electromagnetic fields effectively. This includes the signals used by drones and other devices. You can buy a Faraday cage from various stores. You can also make one yourself using simple materials. Place your devices inside the cage when not in use for added security. This will prevent drones from accessing your data and information. Your information is safe inside the cage, protected from prying eyes. Jamming the signal. GPS jammers and the illusion of freedom. In today's world where technology is deeply intertwined with our daily lives, the concept of freedom can sometimes feel like an illusion. One such example is the use of GPS jammers. Drones rely heavily on GPS for navigation, whether they're delivering packages, capturing breathtaking aerial footage, or conducting surveillance. A GPS jammer disrupts these signals, creating a bubble of interference that can render GPS devices useless within its range. This disruption can throw off a drone's flight path, causing it to lose control and potentially crash. In some cases, it can even force the drone to land in an unexpected location, far from its intended destination. However, be warned, using a GPS jammer may be illegal in your area. Laws and regulations vary, and the consequences of using such a device can be severe. A GPS jammer is a powerful tool, but it is not a foolproof solution. It can be easily detected, and its effectiveness can be limited by various factors. As technology advances, drones are becoming more sophisticated, equipped with advanced navigation systems that can overcome jamming attempts. These advanced systems can detect interference and switch to alternative navigation methods, ensuring the drone stays on course. Use this technology responsibly and be aware of its limitations. It's important to understand both the capabilities and the risks associated with GPS jammers. Remember, the fight for privacy is not about breaking the law. It's about finding a balance between security and freedom. It's about asserting our rights and ensuring that our voices are heard in the ongoing debate about privacy and surveillance. It's about making our voices heard, standing up for our rights, and advocating for a future where technology serves us, not controls us. The most important tool: mental fortitude. Surviving a drone apocalypse is not just about gadgets, it's about mental toughness. It's about being resourceful and adaptable. It's about never giving up, no matter the odds. Stay informed about drone technology. Learn about counter-surveillance techniques and strategies. Share your knowledge with others. We are stronger together, united in purpose. Be prepared for the long haul. It will be a challenging journey. The fight for privacy will not be easy, but it is a fight worth fighting for. We must never surrender our freedom, no matter what. We must never give up hope, even in the darkest times.